How to find who can see your about settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see your about settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find these 3 points in the top and then click settings and now just click accounts and then click privacy and here we'll find about, click on it. And as you see here, we can manage about settings on WhatsApp and then just click done and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.